Tell me a story about the curious chipmunk and the enchanted waterfall.
Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a curious little chipmunk named Charlie. Charlie was not like any other chipmunk. He had a nose for adventure and a heart full of wonder. One sunny morning, as the sunlight danced through the leaves, Charlie heard a distant musical sound he had never heard before. With his tiny heart racing with excitement, he decided to follow the sound deep into the forest. The path was winding and full of twists, but Charlie didn't mind. He hopped over fallen branches, scampered around tall trees, and ducked under mossy rocks. Finally, he came upon a sight so magical it took his breath away, an enchanted waterfall. The water cascaded down from great heights, shimmering with every color of the rainbow. As Charlie watched in awe, a gentle breeze whispered through the trees, revealing that this was no ordinary waterfall. It was said to grant wishes to those with pure hearts. Charlie's eyes sparkled as he thought about his wish. He closed his eyes tight and wished for his forest friends to always be happy and safe. Just then, a soft mist surrounded him, and he felt a warm, cozy feeling inside. The waterfall's rainbow shimmered bright and briefly, almost as if it had heard his wish. Charlie knew in his heart that everything would be okay. With a happy skip in his step, Charlie returned to his friends, not mentioning his adventure, but feeling a little more magic in his heart. And from that day on, the forest felt just a little bit brighter. And so, the curious chipmunk proved that even the smallest wishes, when made with love, can have the most amazing effects.